What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Chatgpt Zone. In this video, we're going to be discussing and doing a demonstration on how to use the ultimate article and SEO wizard. I'm your host, Bubbie Gunter. You can follow me on X right there if you're on a Chatgpt Plus account, and you see our web address right here is mycustomgpts.online to go to our blog. Now, to begin, we just come right here to where it says let's begin, and what's going to happen is you're going to be prompted with several questions by the GPT. So let's begin. When you press let's begin, the first thing that's going to happen is the GPT is going to introduce itself, and he says, "Greetings, I'm Milo, the ultimate article and SEO wizard. Are you ready to begin writing your article?" And you say yes, and click enter. And Milo says, "Fantastic. What will the keyword for your article be?" Alright, now that's where I go to my topical authority page. And I can see here that the next keyword on my list is going to be AI in journalism. So I'm going to choose it and go back over to Milo and paste it. And click enter. Now, here's where the magic of Milo comes in that makes it different from other writing GPTs, okay? Is that once you give it its keyword, it goes onto the internet and it searches for who is searching for that keyword and why they would be searching. It gives you a report like this. Individuals searching for AI in journalism are typically interested in understanding how artificial intelligence is transforming the news industry. Their intent can range from curiosity about AI's role in augmenting reporting capabilities to exploring how AI technologies like machine learning and natural language processing being utilized to analyze data, automate news writings, and personalize content for readers. It says that the intent behind searching for AI for journalism can be multifaceted, ranging from a desire to understand AI's impact on news production and consumption to explore ways AI can address the journalism industry, such as improving efficiency, enhancing content personalization, and fostering innovation in news reporting. Once you know the intent, when people are searching for AI in journalism, they are looking for information only. So, I understand that this article is not going to be a money-generating article. It's going to be a get them familiar with the website article. Now that I know that, they have the next question. Would you like me to write a blog post or article using AI journalism as keyword, keeping the searcher's intent in mind? And you simply say yes and hit enter. It'll ask you how long you want your blog post to be. I recommend that you use 1,200 words. The reason I recommend 1,200 words is ChatGPT's not too good with figuring out how many words and so forth. So when you say 700 words, you might get a 400-word essay or article. So in this case, I say 1,200 words because it might give me around a 700 or 800-word document. So let's check it out. Now, here's something else that separates the ultimate article and SEO wizard from everybody else. It asks, do you have any internal links you would like to add to the article? You're going to have to remember this prompt, so write it down and don't lose it, okay? The first thing you're going to do is type the @ sign like that. And a search is going to come up of all of the GPTs that you use. Now you'll have to go search and find. I'll show y'all how to do that, but you get link reader, and now it can search the internet, and you tell it what you need it to do, like this. You tell ChatGPT, I would like you to go to our blog and tell me what 2 posts or pages would best fit into our article, okay? Now, what it's going to do, let me get the link real quick. and paste it in there like that and hit enter. And you see link reader went to work. It went to the blog. It looked at all the posts and the pages, and it says, okay, these are the 2 best pages or posts we're going to want to link to in our article. This helps establish topical authority on your blog. See, it says including these links in your article about AI and journalism would not only illustrate the versatile applications of AI across different fields, but also demonstrate your platform's capabilities in enhancing professional tasks, including journalism. Now it says, now let's proceed with drafting the 1,200-word article, incorporating these insights and internal links. This will take just a moment. And then before we could even blink, there's our internal link. Here's our article that is written right now. The role of AI in transforming journalism, a future-forward perspective. In the digital age, the intersection of artificial intelligence and journalism heralds a transformative shift in how news is gathered, produced, and consumed. As we navigate through an era where information overload challenges the very essence of truth and accuracy, AI emerges not just as a tool but as a pivotal force in redefining journalistic integrity and engagement. That's your title. This is your first H2 tag, second H2 tag. There's my internal link that it's already added it into the post for you. Now, I thought I had it programmed in there. It's not. Apparently, I'll have to go add it. But if you're working with Chatgpt, if you're working with the ultimate Article and SEO Wizard, and you want to give it this prompt right here, this is going to be very important, okay? You're going to prompt the ultimate Article and SEO Wizard. Okay, now can you search and find me 2 relevant websites with authority that we can quote in our article? When you find them, make the reference in the article a contextual link, and I'll tell you what that is as soon as it's done. And when it rewrote it, now here it is with one contextual link to an outside source with authority. The Rutgers Institute for the Study of Journalism highlights the transformative potential of generative AI in journalism. That's a good contextual link going to an authority site, people. And then down here, we see that as noted by the AP definitive sources. So that's another authoritative source that is now quoted in our article. And 2 that are linking to our posts on the website, which gives it its topical authority. Alright, now we just copy it and we paste it into our WordPress blog. We'll copy the title here, take it on out, put it up top, and do a little cleanup of our blog. Alright, now I like to use a particular font, so I'll change that now. Oh, that's all going to stay there. We're going to change that to Arial 14, and then I'll go through and make all my corrections to what size it needs to be, the A tags and so forth, and boom, it's done. Now we'll scroll down here to the bottom and you'll see that the readability is good. You do have one problem where half of your sentences is over the 20-word limit. So, how do we fix that? You click on the I and it'll show you what sentences are too long. You simply come in here, you capture one of them like this one right here, copy it, go back to Chatgpt, you tell it to make this sentence 20 words, please, and then you give it the sentence that needs correcting, click on the link. Chatgpt writes the sentence for you again, meeting the 20-word rule, copy it, go paste it over here in your document, and we knew that the second one was too, so we can go ahead and grab it next, which was right here. Yeah, that is a long-ass sentence, Chatgpt. Paste it over here, click return, Chatgpt fixes the sentence for you, copy, rinse and repeat till you're done, replacing all of the sentences. Okay. So that's how Milo, the ultimate article and SEO wizard, works. Hope you enjoy using it. It's made my whole blog amazing, people. And if you need any help, just reach out to me in the comments. I'll be ready to answer your questions. So with that, love y'all, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.